Namaste and welcome to India. Today on the Culinary Odyssey, we are going to the eastern state of Odisha. The land of Orissa is known for its beautiful folk dances and music, along with its ancient temples and architecture. Today's dish, Rasabali, is a mithai that's very popular in Orissa. It's offered as a bhog in the temple of Baladevjew. Baladevjew, who is the elder brother of Lord Krishna. In the famous temple of Jagannath Puri, where every day Lord Jagannath is offered 56 or Chappan bhog that's prepared with lot of love. And Rasabali is one of the Chappan bhog. It shows how basic ingredients like milk and sugar can create a magical dish. To make rasabali, you start by cooking down whole milk on low flame, constantly stirring till it's pretty much reduced to half. When the milk is reduced, sugar is added and it continues to cook further till it's beautifully thickened to form the rabdi. To make the puri, more milk is heated and curdled using either the lime juice or vinegar. The milk is curdled, the chenna is separated. The mixture is now strained on a cheesecloth and hung till all the water is drained out. After a few minutes, after the water is drained out, you can see that the chenna is very soft, not super dry and not super moist. While chenna is cooling, let's make powder with green cardamom. The cool down chenna is mixed with a little bit of sugar, some suji, some whole wheat flour, and the green cardamom powder. This mixture is kneaded really well to form a super soft dough. Now the dough is divided in small parts and patted down to make the puris. The puris are fried in ghee on medium flame till they're beautifully golden brown. The fried puris that are drained now go inside the beautiful rabdi that was made earlier that's seasoned with saffron and some green cardamom. So here we have this incredible mithai from Orissa, an eastern state of India. Rasabali, no wonder, is a favorite of many. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Culinary Odyssey. Join me next time as we explore more food through different states of India.